All right, let's take a closer look at P.T.Lee Chengalvaraya Naicker College of Engineering and Technology in Kanchipuram. If you're getting your TNEA list ready, the code you'll need for this one is 1226. So let's dive in and see what this college is all about.
You know, what really stands out right from the beginning is the college's mission. It's not about being the biggest or the most famous. Its core purpose, right from day one, has been to serve the poor and underserved communities. That's not just a line on a website, that's the entire foundation of the institution.
So let's dig into that a bit more. We'll start with this legacy of service to really understand where the college comes from.
And get this, the story doesn't just start a few years ago. We're talking about a vision that began way back in 1874. That's when the philanthropist, Sri P.T.Lee Chengalvaraya Naicker, set aside his properties to create a trust. Fast forward to 1996, the trust started working independently, and then, in 2001, that long-held dream became a reality with the opening of this engineering college.
Now, for a crucial detail that I know a lot of parents look for, academic standards. The college is, of course, affiliated to Anna University in Chennai. That's a key stamp of approval in Tamil Nadu's engineering scene.
So, how do you get in? Well, admissions are through TNEA counseling, and the seat split is pretty straightforward. 65% of the seats are for the government quota, while the other 35% fall under the management quota.
So, to quickly recap its core identity, this is a self-financing private college. It's co-ed, so open to both boys and girls, and it's all managed by that historic P.T.Lee Chengalvaraya Naicker Trust we just talked about.
Okay, so with that history and foundation in mind, what can you actually study here? Let's get into the engineering programs that are on offer.
The college focuses on 5 core branches of engineering. You've got civil engineering, that's branch code CE, computer science, or CS, electrical and electronics, which is EE, electronics and communication, or EC, and of course, mechanical engineering, ME. These are your choices during TNEA choice filling.
All right, academics are one thing, but what's it actually like to be a student there day to day? Let's take a look at the campus and student life. This is stuff that really matters.
First up, and this is a big one, especially for parents of students coming from other towns, yes, they do have hostel facilities right there on campus, and they're separate for boys and girls. And the support system goes beyond just a place to stay. For your studies, the library is pretty well stocked with over 23,000 books and access to almost 120 journals. For health and safety, there's an on-campus health center with a doctor, and to balance out all that studying, they have grounds for cricket, volleyball, and basketball, plus a college bus service to help you get around.
Okay, let's get down to the numbers. In this final section, we'll look at some key data on admissions and ranking to help you make an informed decision during your choice filling.
So when we talk about ranking, there's one number that stands out, 239.
And what does that mean? Well, that's its Anna University Public Perception Rank, specifically for the Computer Science and Engineering program. This isn't just a random number. It's based on the average cutoff marks for the open competition category over a 5-year period. So it gives you a pretty solid idea of where the college stands.
And finally, let's talk about finances, which I know is on every parent's mind. It's really good to see that eligible students can apply for a whole range of government scholarships here. This includes schemes for SC/ST, BC/MBC/DNC, and minority students, and also the very popular First Graduate Scholarship.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been carefully gathered from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.